Here I have WIKO Rainbow Lite, and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me start by using a home screen. Let's open the phone's dialer. Let's activate keypad and let's use the following secret code. At first, let me open the calendar info, so let's use *# 225 #*#*. As you can see, calendar information just pops up. You can read, for example, the events from your contacts, from your country and from your Google account. Let's go back, and this time let me open the Google Play service mode. Let's use *# 426 #*#. As you can see, Google Play Services just pops up. Here you can select ping, connect or disconnect. You may also select events or status. Let me go back, and this time let's open the Debug UI, so let's use *# 759 #*#. As you can see, Debug UI just pops up. Here you can view clients' IDs, and you may also change the OEM mode. Excellent. Let's go back, and at the end let me show you how to open the email information. So let's use *# 06#, and the email number just pops up. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.